the 10 semi-finalists will be
16, 9, 1.
the top 5 finalists, 7, 13,
5 finalists.
and candidate number 8.
Our 10 semi-finalists are back to 0. That scores.
Once again, the top 5 finalists will be given one common question.
When we have our 5 finalists, shall we know back to 0? Are back to 0. Are back to 0.
Yes.
So no matter what their scores in the previous rounds, wala na.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready, girls? Wala pa.
Not yet.
Okay. Ang buhaon karon ni makabuog no second runner-up, first runner-up, and the top 3 major titles.
Yes.
Binibining Pilipina. And the next international top 5.
And our first of the 5 finalists is candidate number, in no particular order, candidate number 16.
Congratulations, candidate number 16. And the next candidate who made it to the top 5 is candidate number 4.
Two down, 3 more to go, and you're a lucky girl, candidate number 3.
Please be on center stage, candidate number 1.
From the 6 finalists on stage, who would you think will complete our 5 Magic 5 finalists?
Who do you think will make it to the top 5?
Numbers.
Lain-lain, no?
Okay.
9, 8. Okay. The last candidate who made it to the top 5 is candidate number 8!
Thank you very much, candidates.
Congratulations to our top 5.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so ato na sa talito.
Ang ato po naman pagtawag ang candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4 now. Candidate number 4 will stay on stage, and then the rest will have to go backstage.
Backstage sa, no?
Because we'll have one common question for all of you.
Maminaw mo dito
And
sa music.
The rest of you will have to submit to a mix of music.
Okay.
Hey, so how do you feel now that you're in the top 5?
I'm very overwhelmed and a bit of nervous.
Congratulations, candidate number 4, ha? Para na ako, no, susuwa naging problema kung baasa ka mabutang
Yes,
sa lalakana ko.
sigurado na ka na kay
Sigurado na ka safe, na kaayo. Okay.
Ready na ba? Okay na ba?
Okay na ba ang backstage? Wala
Kasi
pa.
makatulog sila sa ato ang $1 million question.
Kiayo pagkulata ako pagkabayon, no? Para di makadumog sa question. Of course, ayan, this time I'd like to promote na rin Spotlight Music Bar, owned and managed by Miss Joy Owano.
Of Mandawi City.
Okay. Open every Monday through Saturday.
Okay.
Okay.
Ako naman, Mondays through Sundays, I'm singing at the Arena Business and Entertainment Center.
Okay.
Sige.
Ready na?
Okay na ako, no? Matulog